Hello guys, let's look at a simple program in Python. It's a confusing thing. Many people do the mistakes here. So first of all, I just first define a variable called a, and I put the value of a is 2. And then I define a function called foo. And then here I just write another a with 3. Then I took another variable called x, or I can just um, let's show first how it looks like. So if I run it, I have 3. So you can see that this is called the global variable. Global variable. And this is called local variable. Sorry, I just forgot. Like I cannot comment this using double slash. I have to use hash here. So now I can assign something x, and then for the value a plus x. Okay, now if I want to print something like a, I want to see the value of a. So what will happen if I run this? It will say 4 missing 1 record positional argument x. Okay, so I'm putting the value here, like 3. If I run it, then now I have another error, like local variable a is referenced before assignment. So the Python is thinking like, hey, you just define this local variable here, but you are showing the variable here. It's not pulling the global variable here. I cannot see the variable, global variable here. So it's not bringing the global variable in the local area. So for that reason, what I have to do, I have to use global a. Now if I run this program, you see it's just pulling the global variable here until here. Then when we assign a equal 3, then 3 plus 3 equals 6. So we both have the global variable and the local variable both in our foo function. That's all. Thanks guys.